Hi there, and welcome to a new video from our channel Solar Energy. I thought to do a tutorial today on how to calculate our electricity bill. The cost and the method of calculating the cost of the bill will vary from country to country, but the power consumption is universal. If we know how many units of electricity we consume on a daily basis, we can estimate our electricity bill. So what is considered a unit of electricity? 1 unit equals 1 kilowatt hour. This means 1 unit of our electricity bill is consumed when 1 kilowatt works for 1 hour. That is equal to 1000 watts working for 1 hour. This is 1 unit of current in our electricity bill. So how do we know what appliances consume what rating of power? All electric appliances come with this data sheet. In this, you can see the power rating of that particular appliance. For example, this fridge consumes 140 watts. This fan consumes 75 watts. This is a data sheet of an iron showing 1000 to 1200 watts. This is that of an industrial fan showing 145 watts. This is an infrared cooker showing 2000 watts, and this is from an electric water heater showing 2200 watts. When you look at light bulbs, it is usually printed around on this side. This one is rated at 20 watts. It can vary from 5 to 100 watts usually. Okay, so now that you know how to find out the power rating of your appliance, let's get on with calculating the electricity bill. Let's say 2 of these 20 watt bulbs work for 6 hours daily. Then 20 into 6 into 2 will give 240 watt hours. This is the electricity consumption of these 2 bulbs for 6 hours for that day. Let's say this fan works for 6 hours. So 75 into 6, 450 watt hours will be consumed. And this fridge rated at 140 watts, let's say that it works for around 8 hours daily. That will give 140 into 8, 1120 watt hours. I took 8 hours because, as you know, the fridge doesn't work continuously throughout the day. Rather, it stops and starts frequently, maintaining a certain temperature. Let's also take this television working for 4 hours. Rated at 45 watts, working for 4 hours, it will consume 180 watt hours. Then this iron working for 30 minutes. 1000 watts into half an hour will give 500 watt hours. The water heater, let's say it works for around 20 minutes daily. It will consume 1500 watt hours. So let's add all these up. 2 light bulbs and 1 fan working for 6 hours, 1 television working for 4 hours, 1 fridge working for 8 hours, the iron used for half an hour, and the water heater working for 20 minutes. All of these appliances together gives a total of around 4000 watt hours or 4 kilowatt hours. This is the energy consumption for 1 day. The electricity bill is calculated as units of electricity consumed per month. That is, the number of kilowatt hours which we have consumed for the whole month. So, we can expect 4 into 30, roughly 120 units to be used by using this setup. I hope that this simple description of how to calculate your electricity consumption will help you to estimate your electricity bill. Knowing your electricity bill will help you to conserve energy, save some money monthly, and motivate yourself to move on to better sources of renewable free energy. I have also added some of the data sheets of random equipment I found over the internet, which you can see right here. So if you like that video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and help us share knowledge. Thank you.